I'm gonna soak up the sun. I'm gonna tell everyone to lighten up. I'm gonna tell them that I got no one to blame. 'Cause every time I feel lame, I'm looking up. I'm gonna soak up the sun. My friend, the communist, holds meetings in his RV. I can't afford his gas, so I'm stuck here watching TV. I don't have digital, I don't have deadly squad. It's not having what you want, it's wanting what you've got. I'm gonna soak up the sun. Gonna tell everyone to lighten up. I'm gonna tell them that I've got no one to blame. Every time I feel lame, I'm looking up. I'm gonna soak up the sun. I'm gonna soak up the sun. I've got a crummy job, it don't pay near enough to buy the things it takes to win me some of your love. Every time I turn around, I'm looking up, you're looking down. Maybe something's wrong with you that makes you act the way you do. I'm gonna soak up the sun. I'm gonna tell everyone to lighten up. I'm gonna tell them that I've got no one to blame. For every time I feel lame, I'm looking up. I'm gonna soak up the sun. I'm gonna soak up the sun. Don't have a master suite, I'm still the king of me. You have a fancy ride, but baby, I'm the one who has the key. Every time I turn around, I'm looking up, you're looking down. Maybe something's wrong with you that makes you act the way you do. Maybe I'm crazy too. I'm gonna soak up the sun. I'm gonna tell everyone to lighten up. I'm gonna tell them that I've got no one to blame. For every time I feel lame,